Hello guys, welcome to our channel Indrakshita Vlogs. Today we will be telling you how to make homemade, easy and delicious dessert. This dessert you can make it at your home whenever you have any of your guests arrives randomly. You can make such a yummy and delicious and very easy. Each one of you can make it. It's very easy. Now starting with the ingredients. I have this coconut powder. This is around 150 grams of coconut powder. We need coconut powders in three containers. One was this one. It had 150 grams. This was 75 grams. And this is according to your wish, because you require it for just wrapping. And this is Milkmaid. This is cocoa powder. And this is almonds. Now, I have told you about all the ingredients. So, we will start making our coconut laddus filled with chocolate. So, starting with making, first of all, what we will do is, we will take 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder and mix it into that container of coconut powder. We'll mix it well with the coconut powder. Now it is turned into chocolate color. Totally mixed with coconut powder. Now pouring some Milkmaid. You need to check the quantity. First you need to mix it and then check it so that it makes a proper blendable dough. If you feel a dough is made properly, you don't need to put more Milkmaid. If you feel that it is not made, you can put it according to your wish or want. If dough is not made. So see, our dough is like properly made. We don't need any more Milkmaid. Now properly we need to blend this and make the dough. See, it's looking so yummy. See, can you see the texture and can you see the consistency that it is totally and properly blended? What was the mixture, guys? It is the mixture of coconut powder, cocoa powder and Milkmaid. So guys, after this first part is done, this is our filling which we will fill in coconut covered powders, laddus. Now we took 150 grams of that coconut powder and poured some more amount of Milkmaid and then again mashing it with your hands and making it a dough with the help of that. So guys, you need to really see that your dough is properly blended and easily doughable. See, it is looking so pretty and beautiful. The Milkmaid color is giving it so delicious aroma. Also, I can feel the aroma. You need to make this much small amount of circles. See, this is the way you need to press it from all its corner or round as it is a circle. Then you need to take that chocolate filling which we prepared earlier and then fill into this coconut covering. Then making it again a circle into a circular form like a ball or a laddu. See, The third one was to make these laddus crispier. And here we garnished it with some almond. See, so yummy and beautiful it is looking. So guys, this is very easy recipe. You can try it at your home. It looks so yummy and delicious. So now again, here we prepared my second laddu. We did the same step we did in the first go. We'll again wrap it up or cover this with the coconut powder, and then again put it and then garnish it with almond. So repeating the same process, we will make many of these laddus.
ऐसे ही हम सारे बना लेंगे और इसमें
We are done with another laddu. And you can make any number of laddus you want to have or serve them as your dessert. And you guys also can see that it is very yummy and delicious looking. Please do try this recipe of easy making of. See guys, our laddus are prepared. Now we have made all of them. Can you look at it? Is looking so yummy and delicious, and the stuffing in it. See, the chocolate stuffing is so good for your kids. They will love it. Chocolate is not like for kids only, it is for everyone, but kids have special love for them. So your kids will also have it and you should also have it. So see the laddus. These are very easy and simple laddus made within like 10 minutes. You can make it at your home within 10 minutes and serve it with your family. Have it. So guys, thank you for watching our video, and if you liked it, please give it thumbs up and do subscribe, and please comment below any of your requests regarding any recipe or any motivation, inspirations. Thank you guys. Bye bye.